What do you think you will carry forward for me and what you will leave behind?
I think I'll definitely take forward the fact that you should not be too dependent on material things around you. I think that was the primarily thing you wanted to say. The way of saying that was don't chase this. आजकल हम बोलते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा common. The things you own you. That should not be the case.
Obviously not borrow, always. Spend only in your means, second. And I think the biggest thing that I'm going to take in a very philosophical way is to be content with what you have, because somebody out there will always be more, but somebody always be less.
जल्दी उठ के जल्दी काम पे जाना,
हाँ
वो आदत अपनाना चाहोगे?
कि जल्दी तो नहीं उठा जाता, जल्दी उठ के काम पे जाना थोड़ा कम करना चाहूँगा, थोड़ा सा रिमोट वर्क ज़्यादा करना चाहूँगा।
रिमोट वर्क ज़्यादा करना चाहिए
कि खुद जाके रोज़ फैक्ट्री में सुबह से शाम बैठना ना पड़े।
वर्क फ्रॉम होम
ये
वर्क फ्रॉम होम तो वो डिसीजन आपका है।
चलो ठीक है,
आप कर सकते हो तो वेल एंड
करके
गुड,
दिखाएंगे ये।
वेल एंड गुड।
छुप के सेव करना, आई थिंक वो तो डेफिनेटली देर आर सम थिंग्स जो आपको करनी पड़ेंगी ऐसे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप छोटा छोटा तो करते ही हो, बट वेन एवर यू हैव अ गुड बिग सम दैट यू हैव आइदर गॉटन फ्रॉम समवेयर और मे बी यू मैनेज टू सेव, देन आप उसको एक तरीके से लॉक कर देते हो। आइदर यू विल बाय समथिंग, दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई नीड टू लर्न।
What will I leave behind would be the conjusi, I think, because my worldview is कि money doesn't exist. It's like something we've created as a race. It's like an enabler. It lets you do things you want to. What you want to do is completely up to you. So if you have it, the onus on you is to find out what are the best experiences you can have as a human being. So
I will spend more than you guys, for sure. And I think I will. I don't know, Dad. You guys did good. No?
You have been too polite. Not necessary.
Okay. No, I think I'll leave behind. I'll leave behind just being more of a.
Cribbing.
Yeah. Like mom uses this word in Telugu, which is be careful. And I think I'll leave that behind because it's just be careful. Just tomorrow something might happen. Be careful. Just be careful. Just be careful. I will leave that behind for sure.
One thing that I will definitely leave is not noting down your expenses. वो आप नहीं करते हो, वो मैं नहीं कर सकता, वो तो मैं छोड़ना चाहूँगा बिल्कुल।
अच्छा।
Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments are subject to risks including delay and or default in payment. Read all the offer related documents carefully.